Hey YouTube, welcome back. So last time we did the Freon, and unfortunately there was a leak, and then later on I found out the leak was by the valve. So I replaced the valve stem, and then it seems like the car is still cold, but we need to add a second can, because normally the AC takes about 28 to 32 ounce of the Freon. So I'm going to start the car right now. I'm going to turn on without the AC first, and then check for the temperature. Wow, 109. Now I'm going to turn on the AC now. So yeah, the compressor will need to kick in. It's at 109. So I'm checking the temperature before I add the second can in there. So I see 106. Somehow it's cooler on that side. See, it's 101 over there. It's 84 on the other side. Somehow it's cooler on that side. This side show 82. That side shows 78. And this one shows 87. So I guess the Freon's circulated from that side first. First one, first vent, second, third, and then fourth. This one might be hot. Yeah, so this one shows 102. 86. 86. Uh, 71 over there. So yeah, I'm gonna add the second can and see how it goes. By the way, you need to step on the gas so the compressor could kick in, and it's colder. I can feel it's more cold now. Okay. 72 should be cooler than this. I'm going to pop the hood and add Freon. You need to leave it on full blast AC, okay? While you try to add the Freon. And make sure you wear your glove. You don't want to get no frostbite. Yeah, so last time we add this with the stop leak, just in case, so we can seal anything that has a leak. That will seal it back up. And last time we put this without a seal, and they got everything. Make sure you find the low pressure cap. the temperature. Alright, so now I'm gonna check the temperature again. Wow, 50. That's good.
What was it before?
See this one? 70 something.
Oh, when you first turned
34? What?
It's lower?
It's, yeah. 34.
It's cold.
Wow, they're all 34.
This one's in the sun.
Let's see.
It's in the sun. This one.
Oh, so yeah, they're all 34 then. I think earlier I said they were too far. There you have it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.